In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm at checkout to split your purchase into monthly payments. We'll walk through the full process from adding your items to your cart all the way to completing checkout. If you're following along on your own device, take your time with each screen and make sure the information shown matches what you want before moving forward. To begin, add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. Once everything is in your cart, go directly to the checkout menu. This is the stage where you'll review your order and choose how you want to pay. Before continuing, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that your item quantities, sizes, colors, and shipping details are correct, since this helps avoid delays later. When you reach the payment section, look through the available payment methods and select Affirm. This option is usually listed alongside other common payment choices. Choosing Affirm tells the store that you want to apply for or use installment payments instead of paying the full amount up front. After selecting Affirm, you'll be asked to log into your personal Affirm account using your mobile phone number. Enter the number associated with your account and follow the on-screen prompts to verify your identity if needed. Make sure you're using the correct phone number so the sign-in process goes smoothly. If the page takes a moment to load or sends a verification request, that's completely normal. Once you're signed in, you'll be shown your available payment choices. At this point, choose your preferred monthly installment payment schedule. Take a moment to review the plan carefully, including the payment timing and the amount due each month, so you can pick the option that works best for your budget. This is an important step because it lets you understand exactly how your purchase will be divided over time. After you've selected your installment plan, continue to the final checkout screen and complete the checkout process. This confirms your order and finalizes the transaction, which also allows order tracking to begin through the retailer's system. Be sure to wait for the confirmation screen at the end so you know the purchase has gone through successfully. And that's it. By adding your items to the cart, selecting Affirm, signing in with your mobile phone number, choosing a monthly payment schedule, and completing checkout, you can finish your purchase in just a few simple steps.